Hi all, just now we have finished with the introduction to Matlab. So, here I am going to explain you nothing beyond y is equal to f of x in a Matlab. Everything in a Matlab is solved with respect to function of x that I will show you at a command window itself. It's written with f of x, where you can see the double upper arrow which indicates that this is a command prompt to available with the Matlab ability. Also it will show with this command prompt. Okay, that is the function of Matlab. So, as we have stopped here, you can see we have run the assign script in a previous tutorial. Now, I am going to show you where is that y is equal to f of x and all this thing is going to happen. So, I am writing here CLC to clear this command window. Okay, fine. So, I am going to change the layout from here. I am using some default layout itself and closing the script as well. Okay. So, now you can see here where what is the f of x. Browse the function. Okay, so I am just right click here. It will take some time to open. Okay, so these all are the MATLAB libraries which we have installed that called to solve the any equations which is present here. That all products should be installed runs with respect to f of x function of x. So here, like how I have written script to store some variable in a workspace, I can write from here as well in command window. A is equal to 5. So this thing is also work. You can see A is equal to 5 stored in a workspace. So how it's work at behind. So there is a one function of x's equation is created. That function of x equation is told to MATLAB solve the variable or perform this equation A is equal to 5. So in that function of x, that equation is A is equal to 5. These kind of things are going to happen. So now if I am running any script in a here in a MATLAB, so this thing is also resolved with respect to the function of x itself. Okay, so I told you from this command prompt, this the upper arrow to upper arrow shows the availability of MATLAB. So here you can see the below part. There are the start or parallel pull or parallel performance. So here is no parallel pull is currently open. So for a simple, if you want to see that MATLAB function is what is MATLAB command window is free or MATLAB function is free to run something or not. So I'll show you. I'm double click the MATLAB Simulink window. Okay, while it's opening, you can see it will be showing as initializing. So here I am not able to come. Wait, let's wait. So better instead of showing there in a Simulink window, I'll show you here. If I am writing here something, b is equal to a plus 3. Okay, so how it can perform, you can see at the time when I am pressing a enter, you can see here for a time being this double upper click arrow is invisible for a few seconds. It's a like very microsecond you have to visual because this is a very small mathematical equation which we are performing here. So you can see I enter. For a time being that double click arrow is not present here. It is going to resolve this equation where b is equal to a plus 3 and a is which is already present in a MATLAB. And once it is solved, you can see in your workspace there b is equal to 8 is came back again. So how that MATLAB is going to perform that all function of x equations, and there is nothing beyond in a MATLAB is solved with respect to the function f of x.